Meaning of forgetful.
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 Forgetful. Forgetful is an adjective that describes someone who has difficulty remembering things or who frequently forgets important details. It can also refer to something that is easily forgotten. This trait can have negative consequences in various aspects of life, such as causing problems at work or in personal relationships. Forgetfulness can be attributed to factors such as aging, stress, sleep deprivation, or medical conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. While occasional forgetfulness is normal and common, chronic forgetfulness may require medical attention and lifestyle changes to manage.